Alright, welcome to another video. So ensure this video is as short as possible. Yeah, just like I used to say. This is the last visualization we use for sorting. So I decided to just pick it up from here. So the last time we cleared the sort and I sorted it again. So this is what we did on sorting. We're able to see in descending order, that's from the highest to the lowest, but in ascending order will be from the lowest to the highest, like that. So but today we want to look at filtering. How do we filter our data? First of all, if we take a look at this, we'll notice that we have the region field here. We have the region field, and let's say we want to praise all these employees. We want to give an employee of the month based on different regions. Just like when you have a branch, or when you have branches of your company, and then you don't give employee of the month based on the overall company performance, sales rep performance. You give based on the branch because where they are doing the work there, right? I think that makes sense. So how do we go about that? First thing we can do is, to make everything easy, we can just take this field and drop it into column such that it sections our column. Now, one thing is important here, and you should take note of, is that there is an hierarchy here, right? Don't put it that way. This is categorical, right? Now, there are major categories and let me say there are minor categories. Now, region is a major category because we have quite a number of rep in a particular region, right? So look at this now. This is Matthew, Alex, Susan. See, we're now seeing Central East. This is not looking good, but if we bring it, since this has higher order or priority, or it's higher in category, then take it to the front here, such that we now have the Central region, we have all the employees, we have the East region, we have all the employees, we have the West region, we have all the sales rep. Sales rep, yeah, pardon me. Alright, can you see this is not making sense? Don't forget that we still have our sort on this sales rep. That's why I'm saying it this way, and this is really cool and beautiful, right? So, but what if we have quite a number of regions? We have a lot of regions, and let's try to bring region into rows first and see. So you can have it like this. This is not looking good, just to show you. So now let's say we have more regions and our visualization is going all the way to this side. What do? We can apply a filter, use region as a filter such that we only see for a particular region at one time. Do you understand? So let's say I take this into color first. That's another thing you can do, just to beautify it and to separate them so you can see by region. And you have your legend there. This is central. This is the color legend. And it says the blue is central, east is orange, and west is red, right? So like that. But let's say this is not what we want, but we've already done this. But then we can just take out this region. We want to apply filter now. So instead of viewing everything in a single visualization, I want to see them by region, one view at a time. So we can bring this here into filter. Alright, of course, all. I'll click on OK, like that. Now, of course, the color tells us that this is a particular region, but of course, we don't want to see all the regions at once. So now this is also a reminder on how to show your quick filter. Just coming here every time to say, okay, let me check this. I only want to see this. Can you see that is quite stressful? The region is now west, yes. So I want to see only east now. Double click. Click on east again. Click on OK. Saying east, that is quite stressful. So what do? Just right click, or you click on this icon here. You see show filter. Click on this icon here and you show filter. Once you show filter, it jumps to your right, where you have the legend as before. Can you see? So you can see all the regions here. So I love to keep everything on a side, so I'll bring this to this legend and this region filter to this place. All you have to do is drag and drop. Alright, so just drag like that, drag like that. Alright, so what can we do? We can change this to, we can come to customize first, because we don't want to see everything at once, right? So uncheck show all values, so you can only see. Maybe you didn't get what I just did. Let me put it back there. can see it's showing us all, and we don't want this view. That's why we want to apply filter, right? So we can just remove it entirely by going to customize, uncheck this, and we can only see one view now, though it's still there, but that's because we have everything. Okay, now when I check everything, I can see everything at once, but I still don't want this behavior. That's why we removed it from customize, right? So what we can do is come here and change it to either a radio button here. So you can only select one at a time with this. Can you see? Like that. Just this drop down, focus on it. This drop down beside the search bar, that is where you customize. Just click on it and then you can see everything you want to see. So let me take out the zoom. So you can see, you come down here, a single value list, single value drop down, slider, etc. You can feel free to explore all of these options. I'll just pick on this, which is also cool, but I think the radio button was better, so just take it back to the single value list. So I can see for East, the best employee is Matthew. I can see for that's for Central, I mean. So now for East, the best employee is Susan, and for West, just click on it. For West, the best employee is James right away, and that is how to apply filtering. So this is sorting, where you arrange them or you sort them in ascending from lowest to highest, or you descending from highest to lowest, and this is how you can filter your view. All right, that's all for this video. See you in the next one.